Hello again. We are going to build this building today. It's a 40 by 60 by 14. I had a customer request this building. You can see some unique things about it. It doesn't have doors and windows in it. It just has frame outs. So I'll show you how to do that today and explain a little bit why a customer would want just a frame out as opposed to a door. So let's get started on this. We're going to build from scratch today. Because of the size of the building, we are going to go with a vertical roof style. Again, that roof style, the corrugation of the metal runs from the ridge down to the eave. And we're going to size this building as a 40. By 60 is our length. And we're going to go 14 tall. Now you can see that this building here, it has a ladder leg. That is because it is a 40 wide. Anything over 30 wide, we do a ladder leg with this manufacturer. You can also see that the truss is a full truss 14 on this one. So our clearance for the truss is 14 as well. There's no extra clearance on these trusses. Now also on this building, these are on 4 foot. The upright or the legs are on 4 foot centers as opposed to 5, and that's standard 4 foot centers. So we're going to go ahead and close this in. Start with the front. And then do the back gable. And enclose the sides fully. Oh. Go back here. Some kind of glitch there. Okay, so now let's change our colors. You can change your colors last. I always like to change them first so we can kind of see this building as we go. We're going to do a galvalume roof. This is what the customer's other buildings are, so we're trying to match close to their buildings with a brown trim and then a tan on the sides. So this kind of matches the customer's current buildings of what they have on their property right now. And then we're going to go do the doors and the frame mounts. So we talked earlier about the frame mounts on this building don't actually have doors in them. Now, the reason why we would do this on some occasions is because the customer may want a specific door. And we can do customized sizes. I'm just going to select a 12 by 12 because that's what the customer wants here. So you could, if you have a particular door in mind that you want to have a company install, we will actually just have the manufacturer build a frame out to have that door installed in that hole. We would just need to know the exact size so that we could have the building built with that frame out in it. Pretty simple. So we're going to put a door here so we can go and do a walk-in door frame out. And we'll put that like that. Now on this side, we're going to put a couple window frame outs. Let's do some adjusting here. Let's say we're going to put these 4 foot up. A lot of times you do 3 foot, but this is going to be a commercial style building, so we'll do it like that. I'm not going to spend a lot of time positioning these. Just kind of get them in a general area so you get an idea. Same way on this side, we're going to do another 12 by 12 frame out for the door. This customer wants to be able to pull all the way through this building and pull in both ends. So we'll put their door there. They requested another walk-in door on this side that they will install. So I'm going to put a walk-in door. That way they can choose the walk-in door that they want. And then we're going to put a couple windows to kind of match the other side over here. So go to frame outs again, and we can clone this window. Get our positioning correct. Close. And again, this positioning can be changed and manipulated to be just about anything that you want, just for the sake of time, getting those windows on. So there's our building. So it is a 40 wide, 60 long, 14 eve height. And it's got two 12 by 12 frame mounts, two walk-in doors, and four windows, two on each side for some cross ventilation. Pretty simple, pretty easy build. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you'd like to keep getting our videos. Like and share this video if you know anyone that is looking for a shop building or a workshop this size, because we can do a lot of other things. We can insulate these buildings, and we can do some more custom designs like putting lean-tos on the side of them. We plan on doing a few more videos like that soon, so keep an eye out on putting lean-tos on the side of some buildings. And just like and subscribe, and you can go to our website, mondohomz.com, mondohomz.com, or you can call us at 573-375-5753, and we can help you with your own custom design. Just give us a ring. All right, thank you.